Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Another installment on TAGCUTS. If you look, I have 169 of these tags that are 3x2. If I didn't use TAGCUTS, it would have to cut out each one of these. So either one, you'd have to have them separated. You couldn't get as much wood you couldn't get as many tags on the wood, or you're going to cut these lines twice. But somebody contacted me that I gave TAGCUTS to, and they keep saying they get an alarm. So what we're going to do, we're going to take just one of these and delete these. And if you notice, I don't have it on the page. So that's the problem. If we go to tools and scripts, yours might say macros, and then we go down to TAGCUTS. You've got one, I've got to have it selected and hit TAGCUTS. And then I want 13 by 13. But it gave me an alarm. Maximum limit is 11. So he can't figure out how to get it to go to 13. Well, the reason it is because he's not on the center of the page. So if we put, not on the center of the page, just put it on the page somewhere. Now go to TAGCUTS, and we're going to go 13 by 13. See, we're not getting an alarm. Center to material on page, and hit create. It created those 69. I'm going to exit. It created those 69 or 169 name tags. But what's so cool about TAGCUTS that it's only going to cut this line one. Whoop, I thought I had it ungrouped. It's only going to cut that line once. Cut that line once. So you're going to save wood. You're going to save charring, but you're going to save laser time. I'm going to say this particular case, you're going to save, I bet it's 20 to 30%, well, 60% faster by doing it this way. If you don't have TAGCUTS, it's a macro. It's free on the internet. Mr. Roy Brewer, one of my mentors, came up with it years ago, and I use it all the time. And I'll put my email at the bottom of this, and I'll send you TAGCUT. And then if you need help, I've got videos on how to do it. So that's his problem. If you do not have, and it doesn't matter how big your tag is, if you go to TAGCUTS and go 10, you're going to get an error. Maximum is 5 because it doesn't have any where to go. It doesn't have that you could put actually whatever size this is. Let's make it 5. And I know my laser is, I had my ratio unlocked. I know my bed is 40. I'm going to make it 5 by 5. And I know I could put like at least 7 across there. So I'm going to go TAGCUTS and I'm going to type in 7. And I'm just going to do 2 columns and it create, and it did it that fast. Anyway, I hope that helped that gentleman with the alarm, and thank you for watching.